After a car accident, one of the first things people worry about is their car. How am I going to get to work? Who is paying for these repairs? What happens if the car is totaled? Property damage is usually handled separately from your injury claim, but it still matters. Start by reporting the crash to your insurance company. Depending on your coverage, there may be help with repairs, towing, storage, or even a rental car. If the other car caused the crash, their insurance company may ultimately be responsible, but that could take time. Take pictures of your vehicle before repairs are made. Get photos from every angle. Save receipts and everything else you paid for as a result of the crash. If your car can be repaired, the insurance company will usually send you an estimate. If your car is totaled, they will usually offer you what they believe the car is worth before the crash. Insurance companies can undervalue vehicles. Before accepting a total loss offer, look at a similar car in your market and make sure the offer is fair. Also, be careful before signing anything. Some paperwork only deals with property damage. Other paperwork is where the insurance company is trying to also get you to release your injury claim. You do not want to give up part of your injury claim because you thought you were only resolving the car damage claim. Your property damage claim and your injury claim are not the same thing. Getting your car fixed does not mean your injury case is over. Accepting payment for the vehicle should not end your claim for medical bills, lost wages, and other pain and suffering type damages. The big takeaway is this: handle the property damage, but do not let that distract you from your health and your injury claim. Take photos, save receipts, review offers carefully. Do not sign anything you do not understand. If the insurance company is asking you to accept an offer or sign paperwork, get answers before you do or agree to anything. It can make all the difference.